Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your login screen without any third-party websites or applications. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just right-click on a blank area of your desktop, select Personalize, select Lock Screen on the left side. You're now directing your attention back over to the right side where it says Windows Spotlight. Click inside the drop down here. At this point you can set it to Windows Spotlight, but if you want to change it to a picture, just select Picture, and then you can either choose a picture or upload your own. I'm just going to grab one of their images just for the sake of simplicity. So you see this image here that we just selected, close out of here, and if we sign out of our computer, it should show us that lock screen. So as you can see, there we go. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.